Traders, in this video we're looking at how to day trade gold. Let's go back to this signal. When this signal fires, this is the alert, as you can see. This higher time frame indicator tells us that on 6 time frames, gold is bullish while we see a green shaded zone behind. If that's the case, then we look at these signals that I'm flashing on and off here to buy or sell. I'm almost inclined to relabel this to buy and sell signals rather than bullish and bearish. I've been back and forth with this idea, because we can buy as long as we have this green shaded zone behind. So when the signal fires and we see a combination of these two, all right, we enter, come in on the next candle, long, stop under the low or in the cloud. 15-minute time frame, that's it. We re-enter on these alerts, these signals here, every one of them if you like. We re-enter and we add to our position. Think about that for a moment. We stay in this while it's trending above the cloud. You can see the cloud. So we can pull these stop losses up within the cloud here. Okay, we stay in the cloud and we follow price. Okay, you could go a third of the way in, halfway in. Use this green dotted line, right? This is giving us multiple time frames and the average true range or a variation of the average true range level. So we use these for and I mean, look how this is keeping you out of trouble, this green dotted line here with these pullbacks. Some stage it'll pull into it and we'll close our trade and that's fine. But for the most part, while this background is shaded green, we can be taking these trades. And it goes on and on and on. Back test it yourself and see how it shapes up. Tight stops, entry, tight stop, really tight stop. To our target, the dotted lines up here, these green yellow dots, sorry, that's a target level, right? At some stage, it might catch you out, and that's okay. That one's not so happy. But there's a lot that have worked out really, really well. Okay, we're coming to the end of the this trend. As you can see, the green shaded zone stops at some stage, right? But I mean, look at the opportunities along the way. It's going to be the same story no matter where you go. We can go back as far as you want. Yeah, you don't touch these signals here. We wait for, okay, here's a red signal. Let's just clear everything. We sell on the pullback, stop above the previous high, stay in it, exit when it pulls into the cloud or we see our first green candle. So notice the candle colors. This is a trading system or strategy that I've been working on for years, guys. It's only in the last week, in fact, since today's Saturday, since Wednesday, that it's really come to fruition with the addition of 2 indicators that work together. You can see a down arrow or down triangle here, and you can see the word bearish. Well, you can see that here as well. There's 2 signals here, and one of them is giving us 6 time frames bearish on this indicator, and the other one's giving us, well, it's bearish momentum, and then the other one's giving us 6 time frames bearish in terms of the trend on this indicator. So we've got momentum indicator and we've got the trend indicator. When these come together, we get that. And it's a very high probability outcome. Here's an invite to jump on board. We have 2 Telegram channels. We've got the Forex Signals VIP, so that will cover Forex, indices, gold, silver, etc. And this one here now, this is our new channel. It's the Crypto Signals channel, specific for crypto, of course. And then we have the public channel where everything is piled in. Okay, so I'll place ideas in here. A mix of everything, right? Now, but you want access to VIP, you can have access to these specific VIP channels, and the signals are copy friendly. So if you're using a program like TS Copier, you can copy our signals. This is on special at the moment, and it will be going up very shortly, guys. Go to my website, tradingwithanthony.com, click on indicators if you want instant access, and snap it up while it's only $29.95 a month. That's a sushi train lunch for me once a month, guys. Ridiculous value in your favor, but it's going to go up. So now's the time. And you can jump on the free trial, so there's no upfront cost whatsoever. you won't gain access to the indicators, but you'll have access to everything else, both of the Forex and the crypto channels, right? And you can monitor it for two weeks if you like. But the benefit of this is you're going to lock in your $29.95. Okay, guys, so that's how you can day trade or even intraday gold. There's daily mentorship videos going into VIP, full tutorials, the signals and everything. So with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.